Extracurricular activities and experiential learning are an important aspect of a student's growth and development. They help in generating more interest in the teaching learning process. Recently, we organized annual day to appreciate our students' participation by showcasing their talents. We also organized a school picnic as a part of relaxation and enjoyment for our students. Also, children with diverse learning needs are catered through special assistance by a special educator in the campus. Their learning is facilitated through different activities based on their learning requirements.
My friends and I in grade 1 took part in many activities. We sowed some seeds to observe the growth of a plant from seed. We learned the concept of sink and float by placing different objects in water. Learning solid shape in math was fun as we brought to class many things of different shapes. We also enjoyed kite flying during Makara Sankranti. The integration of chapter money and the communication skill of English was witnessed in a marketplace activity. Here, we, the students of grade 3, interacted with our customers to sell our items. Stalls with vegetables, fruits, groceries, stationery, and beauty products were set up in a classroom. Eatables like chanmuri, fruit chaat, spiced raw mango, and cucumber along with juice were sold. The atmosphere was jubilant due to the fun games like shooting, throwing darts, and bowling, etc. We, the students of grade 3, were introduced to the genre of drama through our English lessons, Whispering Palms. We enacted the play in class which helped us to express our emotions through our body language and deliver the dialogues effectively and clearly. We, the students of grade 5, demonstrated different hands-on activities to understand the different properties of air. We also performed experiments related to various methods of purification of water in the lab. It was an interesting and enriching experience.
Annual Day is a day when the entire school comes together to celebrate the school's successes and achievements. We at Shakthi School had an amazing annual day on 21st December 2023 with amusing and great performances. It was done with the effort and teamwork of dedicated teachers and devoted students. Students' participation in annual day function aids in the development of social skills and emotional intelligence.
We, the student of grade 1, had an activity of blowing air into a balloon in areas. When we blow, air fills up the space inside the balloon, so we can say that air takes up space. We also prepared a paper fan using old newspaper. We, the students of grade 3, were engaged in a hands-on activity using our handmade colorful clock for reading the time and setting the time. We reviewed the parts of the clock and also reinforced time-related vocabulary like seconds, minutes, and hours.
We, the students of grade 5, were engaged in a debate on the topic education system today or in 2050. Which one is better? This helps us to develop critical thinking skills by analyzing and evaluating different perspectives and arguments. It also fosters our communication skill, listening skill, and teamwork.
ಶಾಲಾ ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ರೋಮಾಂಚನವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ನೆನಪುಗಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತಾಜಾವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಘಟನೆ, ಸಹಪಾಠಿಗಳೊಂದಿಗಿನ ಮೋಜಿನ ಸಮಯ. ಅಂತೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಕ್ತಿ ವಸತಿ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಲಾ ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ರಿವರ್ ರೂಟ್ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೂಡ್ಶೆಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಅನೇಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡರು. ಅವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ರೈನ್ ಡಾನ್ಸ್, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್, ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಲ್ ಮುಂತಾದ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡರು. ಇದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಆನಂದದಾಯಕವಾಗಿತ್ತು ಹಾಗೂ ಮನರಂಜನೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿತ್ತು. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ದಿನಗಳನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಾಗಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಳೆದ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತದೆ.
We, the students of Scouts and Guides, attended a program related to road safety organized by Mangalore Traffic Police at TMA Pi Hall, Mangalore. It was an informative session and we supported the cause by preparing placards to create awareness regarding road safety and traffic rules.
We, the students of grade 5, actively participated in fun and interesting activities using cups and marbles to find the LCM and HCF easily without calculation. LCM and HCF of 2 or more numbers helps in finding out quick solutions and thus reduces time during examinations. The concept of LCM is important to solve problems related to racetracks, traffic lights, and the like, and the application of HCF is helpful in calculating the largest size of tire, the largest tape to measure the length, the maximum scale to measure the length, and the like.
ನಾವು 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ನಾವು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಪದ್ಯ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕಲಿತರು. ಇದರಿಂದ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಹತ್ವ, ಗುರುಗಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯದ ಮಹತ್ವ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಬರವಣಿಗೆ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕೆಂಬುದನ್ನು ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡರು. We, the students of grade 2, have learned about basic concepts of multiplication and division. These concepts were introduced as repeated addition and skip counting. To make lesson engaging, a hands-on group activity was conducted using board games in class. This activity provided us with an understanding of mathematical operation and helps us develop a strong foundation.
We at Shakthi Residential School strive hard to bring out the best in our students. We organize these activities to learn through experiences and participation, which in turn develops the overall personality of our students. Also, special education in the teaching learning process help the students with special needs to learn the same information and skills as the other students in a school learn. We express our deepest gratitude, dear parents, for your continuous support and trust on us.